Yes, now students, circle the greatest numeral. Here, so comparison, again comparison is given. So means we have to check which one is smaller and which one is greater. The greatest number. So in these five numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. In these five numerals, we have to find the greater numeral. After finding greater numeral, we have to circle the greater numeral. Then how to compare the numbers? We start to compare from thousands place. Thousands place here. What is there in thousands place? 1. In thousands place 1. In thousands place 1. In thousands place 2. In thousands place 2. 1, 1, 1. The 3 are less. 2, 2. In these 2 we have to check which one is greater. So these 3 are less. We need only greater. So in these 2 you have to decide which one is greater. 2. After that hundreds place 1 is there, in hundreds place 0 is there. In between 1 and 0, 1 is a greater number. 1 is a greater number. Circle that one. Circle that greater number. Then after that, second question. In this also you have to compare. How to compare? We start comparison from ones place, thousands place. Thousands place. Here we have what is there in thousands place. In first question, in thousands place 1 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there, and 7 is there. 8, 8, 8. In these 3 we have to decide which one is bigger. So then after that, in these 3, 8 are equal. Then you go for hundreds places. In hundreds places 7, 8, 8. 7 is smaller. Then don't go here and here. In this 8, again this 8, 2 are bigger. Then again we check in tens places. What is there in tens place? Here 7 is there and here 1 is there. In between 7 and 1, 7 is the bigger. 7 is the bigger. This is the greater number. This is the greater number. And next, in this 5 numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numerals, first we check thousands places. What is there in thousands place? 2, 1, 4, 2, 4. 2, 1, 4, 2, 4. 4 is a bigger. So these 2 are greater. So in these 2 again we have to compare. So which one is the bigger one? Which one is the greater one? For that we check hundreds place. What is there in hundreds place? 7 is there in hundreds place. Here 2 is there in hundreds place. It means 7 is a bigger one. This one is a bigger one. Then next. In these 5 places, 5 numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numerals we have to decide which one is greater. What is there in thousands place here? 3. Here 2. Here 6. Here 5. Here 6. 6 and 6 are greater. So in these 2 we have to decide which one is bigger. For that again we have to go for hundreds places. In hundreds place 5 is there. In hundreds place 3 is there. In between 5 and 3, this one is bigger. 5 is a bigger one. Circle that 5. Means 6,523. This is a bigger number. In this way we have to check and we have to circle the bigger one, means greater one. Here the same question but here small one. So we have to find small one and cross out the smaller one. Cross out. Here circle. We circle the bigger one. Here we cross out the smaller one. Okay. Now 5 numerals are given in this. In these 5 numerals, in thousands place 4 is there. 5, 5, 4, 4. 5 is bigger. Don't go for bigger. Smaller. 1, 2, 3. In this 3 we have to decide which one is smaller. For that you check hundreds place. What is there in hundreds place? 2, 5, 6. In 2, 5, 6, 2 is a smaller. Then cross out this one. This one is a smaller one. The same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numerals, we have to check which one is smaller. In thousands place 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there. Equal numbers are there in thousands place. Now we check in hundreds place. 8, 8, 1, 9, 9. 8, 8, 1, 9, 9. 1 is a smaller. So this one is smaller. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numerals, so check what is there in thousands place. 2, 2, 2, 4, 6. 4, 6 are bigger numbers, don't go for that. In these 3 you have to decide which one is smaller. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 are same. Now you check hundreds places. 4 is there in hundreds place, 6 is there in hundreds place, 3 is there in hundreds place. 3 is a smaller one, so circle that 3. Now, the last 5 numerals are given. In these 5 numerals, first thousands places. In thousands place 9 is there. In thousands place 4 is there. 9 is there. 8 is there. 6 is there. So 4 is a smaller. So this is a smaller. Don't circle this one. Just cross. But he is asking cross only. So we have to make cross. Don't make circle. Don't make circle. Here cross out. Here is being crossed out. We have to make cross. Don't make circles. Okay. Only cross out. Only cross out. Don't make circles. All these circles. No need these circles. Only cross out. Only cross out. Okay. Only cross out the number. Which one is smaller? That number we have to cross out. We have to cross out. Okay. So here circle is, he is asking, we make circle here. Okay. Now this making a number with the given digits. Some digits are given. Using these digits we form a greater numeral. Greater numeral. For the greater numeral, one simple condition is there. So just apply that simple condition, then you will get greater number. How to get greater number? In these 4 digits, first you take a bigger number. What is a bigger number in this? 9 is a bigger number. That 9 you take here. And smaller than this is 3. And smaller than 3 is 2. And smaller than this is 1. This is a bigger number, so we can form by using this digits. So like this we have to arrange. That simple method is there. What is that simple method? So whatever the digits are given here. So what is the greatest numeral with the following numbers means? So we have to arrange the given digits in ascending order, descending order, decreasing order we have to arrange. 9, 3, 2 and descending order. Then you will get a greater number. So in the same way this one also. First 8. Then 5, then 2, then 0. This number will form. So just we have to arrange in descending order. Then in this, make the smallest number with the following number. Smallest number we have to form. So smallest number means we have to arrange in ascending order, increasing order. First we have to take a smaller one. Reverse of this. Smaller one, what is the smaller one? 4. Then after that 5, then after that 7, 8. Ascending order, increasing order we have to arrange. Then we will get a smaller number by using this digits. So this is the simple method. So first we have to arrange in descending order, then we have to arrange in descending order. Okay, here ascending order, increasing order, here descending order. Ascending order here, increasing order, descending order here. For greatest number, so we have to arrange in descending order. For smallest number, we have to arrange ascending order. Now, here, when the 0 will come, a little bit change is there. When 0 will come. Whenever 0 will come, so then don't take 0 first. Don't take 0 first. Second smaller number we have to take. See, in the 4 number, so in the 4 digits, so which one is the second smallest number? 3 is the second smallest number. That we have to take first. Second smallest number. Then after you take first smaller number. And after that 6, 8. 6, 8 in ascending order, increasing order. Okay. So in this way we have to arrange. In this way we have to arrange the given numbers in the smallest and greatest form. Smallest form, how to arrange smallest form we explained, and how to arrange the given numbers in by using these numbers, how to make a greater number and how to make smaller number. So this is the procedure. Okay. Now students, brain booster. So again we recapitulate what we did in our workbook. So see here. So write the place value of n circle digit. So here 469. Here 6 is encircled. Here 983. 3 is encircled. And 541. So then here 5 is encircled. So then here write the place values first. Ones, tens, 100. Here ones, tens, and 100. Here ones, tens, 100. Here first here 6 place value. 6 is in tens place, that is 60. That is 60. 3 is in ones place, 3 ones are 3 only. 5 is in hundreds place, that is 500. 500. In this way you have to write the place values of encircled number. Now write the following in standard form. 1, 2, 3 till hundreds place is given. So ones, tens, 100. So then 500. Here 500. There is no tens, 0 tens and 9 ones. 509. So the same 600. The greater number is 600. So we have to take the place value still hundreds. Ones, tens, 100. This is 600 and 1 10 and 2 ones. 612. 612. Here also greater number is 100. Means we have to take place value till 100. Ones, tens, 100. 100. 5 tens and 4 ones. 154. 154. Now, here we have to write these numbers in expanded form. 3 is in 0, ones, tens and 100. 0 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, and again 3 is in hundreds place. This 3 is in hundreds place, 300. Yes. This 3 is in tens place, 3 tens are 30. Plus 0 is in ones place, 0 ones are 0. Now, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. 9 is in hundreds place, 900 plus 6 is in tens place, 6 tens are 60. 9 is in ones place, 9 ones are 9. This is ones, tens, 100. 1 is in hundreds place, 100. 1 is in tens place, 10. 1 is in ones place, 1 ones are 1. This is expanded form. Now, write the number names. Number names we have to write. So this is in ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. 427. 427. 4 427. 427. The same. Ones, tens, 100. 593. 500. 93. 593. Then ones, tens, 100. 9 is in hundreds place, 925. 900. 925. 925. Next, ones, tens, 100. 793. 700. 793. 793. So these are in words. Given numerals, so numbers in numerals. Okay, given numerals we are writing in names, number names, number name. Then fill in the blanks. Now here the next question is we have to fill the blanks, given blanks. What are the blanks here? The first blank, the smallest two-digit number. The smallest two-digit number we know, this is 10. The smallest two-digit number starts from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So at the very beginning 10 number will come. So that is why 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Next, the number one more than means we have to add plus 1. We have to add plus 1. 999 plus 1 is 1000. If we add 1 to 999, then you will get 1000. You will get 1000. If you want to check, then check. 999 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10 and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10 and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. This is 1000. This is 1000. Next. The number 1 more than 9,999, that is 10,000. Again you add plus 1 to this. Then you get 10,000. 10,000. Then the number 1 less than 100. 1 less than 100 means 1 less means we will get predecessor. So 100 predecessor is 99. 100 predecessor is 99. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes, now students, add and write the odd or even numbers. So here 4 questions are here. First we have to add, and after that we have to say, sir, either these numbers are even numbers or odd numbers. So then how? First 19 plus 7, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26. Here 26. 6, last digit we have to check. Last digit is even, so it is an even number. It is an even number. Next, 6 plus 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means here last digit is 4, 4 is even, so this is even number. It is an even number. Now 24 plus 9, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 33 here. The sum after adding, so it is 33. 3 is odd number. Why it is odd number? It is not divided by 2. So it is odd number. So it is odd number. Now 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. It is 11. Here 1 is odd number. 1 is odd number. 1 is odd number. Then, so this is like this. We have to add it. We have to say either it is even number or odd number. Just you have to check one's place. If one's place is even, then the number is even. If one's place is odd, then the number is odd. Now, 7th, write the successor of 8088. Successor means after the number. 8889 will come. 8089. This is the successor. This is the successor. Then predecessor means before number. 60 before is 59. 60 before is 59. That is 7,359. This is the predecessor. Then 45 predecessor. 44. This is the same. 6,544. This is the predecessor. Predecessor means before number. Then successor means after the number. 53 after 54. That means 9,154. This is the successor. Successor, predecessor we have to find like this. We have to find like this in this way. In this way we have to find. Now, here find the difference between the place value and face value. Place value and face value of the numbers we have to find. Here 7. 7 place value. 7 place value. 7 place value. 7 is hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100. This is 1000. 7 is in hundreds place. So place value is 700. Then face value. 7 face value. 7 face value is 7 only. Then find the difference. Then take borrow from here. It will get 10. And from here, it will get 9. Here 10. Here 6. 10 minus 7, 3. 9. This is 9. This is 6. 693. 693. Now, find the difference between the place values of two trees. Here one tree is there, here another tree. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, this is thousands place. First three place value. From left side, so this is in thousands place. First is in thousands place. Second three place value is 30. 3 is in tens place. First one is thousands place. 3 is in thousand, 3000. Second is in hundreds place. That is first one is in thousands place. 3 into 1000, 3000. Second one is in tens place. 3 into 10, 30. 3 tens are 30. Now we have to find the difference. Exactly you have to keep so like this. So ones digit, and tens digit. Then minus difference. 0 minus 0, 0. Then you take borrow from here. Here you will get 2 and here 10. Again here from borrow, this will get 9, this will get 10. Then 10 minus 3 is 7. This is 9. This is 2. 2970. 2970. This is the difference we have to find like this. This is the difference between the place values of three place values of two trees. One tree is in thousands place, other tree is in tens place. Then 3 into 1000, 3000, 3 into 10, 30. 3 tens are 30. Then find the difference. Now you will get 2970. This is the difference. So like this we have to find the difference of the place values, different places, 3 in different places there. Then according to that you have to write and you have to find the difference. Okay? Thank you.